Days after former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina fled and resigned in a shocking development, her son Wazid Roy has said that his mother will be back in the country as soon as democracy is restored in Bangladesh, though refraining to comment whether the veteran leader will remain active in politics or retire. Meanwhile, to ensure the well-being of its nationals, including minorities, the Indian establishment has constituted a committee to monitor situation on the Indo-Bangladesh border. Sakal Bhatt gets you more in this report.
As a strife-torn nation limps to normalcy after Sheikh Hasina resigned as Prime Minister, her son Sajib Wazid Joy has said his mother will return to Bangladesh when its new caretaker government decides to hold elections. Quoting news agency Reuters, Wazid remained non-committal if the 76-year-old former Prime Minister would contest or not. In an effort to ease the situation on ground, advisor to the Interior Ministry, retired Brigadier General M. Shekhawat Hussain has assured that the interim government's top priority is not only to restore law and order, but also dwindling confidence within the law enforcement agencies. Reportedly, as on Friday, out of 6 police stations in the Tejgaon division of Dhaka, 3 have fully resumed operations on Friday, while work was ongoing to restore the 3 others which were damaged in ensuing riots. Meanwhile, keeping a close watch, Indian establishment has constituted a committee to monitor situation on the Indo-Bangladesh border. The committee, helmed by ADG BSF Eastern Command, is tasked to maintain communication channels with their counterpart authorities to ensure security of Indian nationals, Hindus and other minority communities living there. Earlier on Thursday, Nobel Peace Prize laureate Muhammad Yunus was sworn in as the chief advisor of the Bangladesh. Along with other foreign diplomats and guests, Indian High Commissioner was formally invited to the event. Yunus, along with the 16-member advisory council, was sworn in by President Mohammad Shahabuddin. The interim government, tasked with holding fresh elections, was formed 3 days after Hasina's resignation. Sakal Bhatt's report for DD India.